right, let's get this thing opened up here. Whoop. Ooh. Oh, maybe. Huh. Maybe I shouldn't do that. This is Larry with ManCave Mayhem. Today we are doing another unpackaging and unboxing. I have been thinking about this for a while and have been looking at different products in regards to an airbag vest. And I've been looking at the manual ones and I've been looking at the autonomous ones, and I came to a decision on the Klim AI1 Rally. And it says not to open this box with a knife, but I'm going to be very careful. So I'm going really light on it. Whew, making me nervous here. I got this from Dennis Kirk. I'm sure it's shipped from Klim, but maybe they had it in stock. And it just comes in a bag. Let's get the box out of the way here and see. It looks like it's got a return label too, so I'm sure that people can try these on and decide whether they fit right, and if they don't, you can return them, which is a good thing. I guess it's a bad thing though if people are trying it on. But this one looks sealed, unless they resealed it. We're gonna go ahead and open it up and see what comes with this bad boy. Here's the box. The vest is made by Klim, but the autonomous feature of the vest is made by In&Motion. So, pull this vest out. Well, it's got some heft to it. But it's not terribly heavy. The weight is obviously in this back piece. Now, the difference between this vest and the other vest that Klim makes is that this one has passive armor in it too. So this has got CE rated, D30, level 1 in the chest, and a level 2 in the back. And it's pretty significantly large in the back, I can feel that. So, like I said, the box In&Motion is the brain unit of this operation. Super light. Yeah, you get a sticker, you get, I don't know what this is. This is like a gator, and charging cord, and the instructions. So that's going to be the vest, and then this unit clicks in here, and I'm not quite sure how that works. I think it just slides in. A lot of people have complained about how hard it is to get this in, so let's see if it is that difficult. I don't know. It looks like this is a release mechanism here, and oh, they're saying to take that off. I'm not going to go ahead and engage this right yet, but I just wanted to unbox this. I'm going to throw this vest on real quick. I opted for a large vest, and I normally wear large in jackets and stuff. Oh, let's unzip this and see what we got underneath here. Oh, it's all attached. So we do have the manual here, the airbag vest manual, and there's the canister already attached. So I didn't know. I would have thought that the canister wouldn't have been attached, but it is attached, and it looks like it's set up and ready to go. Hopefully I'll never need it. The reason I purchased this is because I'm going to be doing some off-road riding, and this vest, as well as the other vest, can be programmed for off-road algorithms. So, you know, as adventure bike riders, we don't stay upright all the time. So because of that, it's probably good that we don't have a vest that is strictly for the street, because we'll probably end up setting it off quite a few times. From what I understand, this vest can be discharged 3 times. I did order an extra canister, which is $100, but I thought we're getting ready to go on a trip to Baja, and I thought it would be a good idea to have an extra canister just in case I do take a crazy spill. That's not out of the question. So anyhow, I'll throw this vest on, kind of show you how it fits me. It's super, it feels good. It actually feels pretty good. Let's see if my fat butt can fit in it. Oh no, this thing actually feels really nice. And turn around, show you guys how it looks. So, and starting out cost on this was $469 is what I paid for this vest. And a lot of people gripe about the subscription, but I kind of think it's cool because they're constantly sending updates for this vest. And for me, that's a little bit more security. Every time somebody has a crash, it updates them and they change the algorithms or update the algorithms, and then that unit gets updated. I'm going to show you guys too how this is all set up, how you register this and everything. But I just wanted to get this unpackaged and show you. I'm not an expert by any means. This is kind of a white trash review, but I just kind of wanted to let you guys know the direction I was going with a vest. You know, I think it's a good idea, especially as you get older in age and our bones don't heal as well. It's nice to have a little more insurance as far as riding. You can't prevent everything, but it's always good to go the extra mile and protect yourself. This feels very comfortable. It's lightweight. I kind of want to wear it all day. Maybe I will. Maybe I'll go to lunch today and just wear this thing. What do you think anybody will say? It's kind of a fashion statement, right? If you haven't yet, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that bell for notifications. Check us out at Instagram at ManCave_Mayhem. Now, let's go check out how to sign up for the subscription. All right, folks. First thing they say to do is plug this in and make sure it's charged. I've had it plugged in for about an hour, so we're gonna go ahead and unplug that. Then we're gonna get over to the computer. I'm gonna show you the way I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna go ahead and go for the subscription, but you can buy it outright too, which I don't see the advantage to it. And that was one of the things that sold me on this vest, is the price point entering into this. And the monthly subscription, I know a lot of people have a beef with. I hate monthly subscriptions, honestly, I hate them. I think it's a way of roping people in, but I think in this instance, there's an advantage to it simply because they're updating the algorithms all the time. After 3 years, you can buy that device for $100, which I probably wouldn't do. I'd probably continue using the subscription just because I think having new algorithms added to it is a good thing. Also, by that time, maybe, who knows, maybe the vest has been deployed. God willing, it doesn't have to be deployed, but I think using it in off-road scenarios, there's a good possibility you could deploy that vest. Like I said, I hope that's not the case. I also ordered an extra canister. The canisters for that are $99, which is pretty pricey, but at the same time, you can refill it, or you can re-exchange that canister 3 times before it needs to go in for service, which I think is a good thing. It's really kind of better than most of the vests that I've seen, even the manual vests that are really reliable from what I understand. They have to go in after, I think they have to retire them after 3 services. It just depends. Don't mark my words on that. But anyhow, we're going to go on the app, and I'm going to show, I haven't even downloaded the app yet. So let's get the app downloaded. Then we're going to go online and we'll go from there. Today, so I'm just going to show you the website here. This is the In&Motion website. And I'm on the moto part of it, but they also do horseback riding and downhill skiing. I found kind of interesting. So, okay, let's go to moto. Then I'm just going to go to moto membership. I haven't opened an account yet. So it says buy your airbag and choose your inbox formula. Basically, I've got United States inbox, and I can go $120 a year or $12 a month or $400 to pay the whole entire thing off. So I'm going to choose a formula. I'm going to choose formula. So the Inbox Classic is $400. That gives you 1 detection module, and Inbox updates are available. So I don't know if that means they give you the updates still, or if you have to buy them. I'm not quite sure how that works. I'm going to rent mine, and it's $120 a year. But if I go monthly, then it's $12 a month. So I think I'm going to do monthly, and then I also want to include the adventure. So I want to go street mode for sure, and then additional modes. So the additional mode is adventure, is what I'm looking for, and I want to do $8 a month because during, well, you know, I'm just going to probably just do $25 a year because who knows when you're going to hit the dirt. This screen, it's asking me, do I need, you know, this computer brain thingy, the inbox, or do I have it? So I said, no, I don't need it. will be supplied or is supplied. So basically on the start of this, I'm paying $37, which isn't bad to start it off. Now I gotta accept all the terms and do the billing. So that's what I'm gonna do next. So now this is the next thing you do. You download my In-Box motorcycle airbag dashboard. So this is kind of gives you all the information on the airbag. So I got that downloaded. I don't know if it's out of order or not, but we'll open that up. And we allow it to use the Bluetooth, and then we put the password in, and that'll get us in on that. So let me finish paying for this thing. So next step is pairing mode. So we are going to pair this bad boy. So I think what you do is you just turn it on. That's what it's showing them doing. I don't know. He's pushing the button real quick. Oh, I think you have to turn it on right here. So yeah, there's a little switch here that you turn it on. I was like, okay, now we're on. So let's see if this pairs. Looks like it's gonna start pairing. It's making some noises. So we'll let that do its thing. Start pairing process. Then you allow it. And now it's going to ask for me to scan. All right, so right there, it is asking on the inside of your right-hand side of the vest, it's asking you to scan the serial number, which is right here. You can see the serial number. We're gonna scan that right now. It made a really cool sound. So it's scanning for the inbox. Turn on your inbox to consult information. So it's scanning everything. Now it's saying turn on your inbox and click here to check your inbox dashboard. So that's what we're gonna do next. So I think we're gonna wanna install that in the vest now. And we got a warning label, please register your crap or it's not gonna work, basically, I think is what it's saying. The label must be removed before you insert it. And of course this thing is stuck on with like super glue, which is insane. Hopefully it doesn't leave a big old mess, but it appears to be coming off. All right, so now it's all synced. It's showing that it's on. It's showing that I got 89% battery life. It looks pretty simple. Look at it, it's got street, or you can change it to adventure. I think you hit the plus sign and you change it to adventure. I read and accept. Let's see. You're about to switch modes. Each detection mode is designed to suit a specific use. And that's how that works. So now it's in adventure mode, and it's got a different algorithm, which is kind of cool. Now if I want to go back to street mode, I hit the street button, and it switches back to street. Pretty simple. Looks pretty cool. I'm excited to have this, and I think it's going to work out really well. So, all right, folks, this is where I give you the good, the bad, and the ugly. This little device here hopefully will save my life if I ever get in a situation where I run into a problem. I'll just tell you the really bad stuff that I don't like. This is kind of hard to get in, but once you figure out how to get in, it's not a big deal. The other thing I don't like is turning this button on and off. This button you have to push really quick, and then it goes, but it's kind of awkward the way they do it. You know, once you get the hang of it, not a big deal. The other thing is there's a tiny little switch here that you turn on initially and you're not supposed to turn it off again, according to what I read. So those are the two things. I really haven't had any issues. Also, you got to make sure that your jacket fits. You don't want it too tight. If it's too tight, then you can't layer over the top of it, and then it becomes a problem. If you haven't yet, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that bell for notifications. Check us out at Instagram at ManCave_Mayhem. And just remember, folks, I'm just a man in a cave causing mayhem. Thanks for watching.